With their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
Going on? How we doing? What's up, Froggo? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Lots of news today. So a lot of it already happened. Had some at 2:30 this morning, 5 this morning, 8:15, and then again at 8:30. Then we have some at 10, And then again, FOMC at 2. So I'm not expecting too much today, actually. So I was mistaken with the Bulenox thing yesterday, by the way. I, for some reason, thought yesterday was the last day of the month, but it was actually today. For some reason, I thought there was only 30 days this month. Give my camera 1 sec. I'm gonna see if I can reset the white balance. I'm trying to use less light. I know less light is not good, but I'm trying to use a little bit less light to see if I can get the lights to last longer. Alrighty, there we go. That's better. Rayu, Donovan McNally, Donovan McNabb. What's going on? Yeah, the market recovery, Jason. Pretty nuts. We're at a pretty key level right now looking at the daily, though. At 375. If we can get through, I mean, 19.7 is probably in question. It's like our next stop, but we got to get through here first. But yeah, pretty crazy recovery thus far today. 15 seconds here. Not playing the open. Just gonna see what happens here. Oh, big gap up for Oxy today. Almost the whole dollar. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Are you still trading with Apex? I will be once they have another 90% off sale. Just waiting on the 90% off sale to come back, and I'll grab some more accounts. Nothing against Apex. I just don't want to overpay for accounts. Man, I will tell you the opening trade has been horrific lately. It looks like we would have got our 20 ticks just barely if we played that level, but man, it has just been fake out central at the open lately. So remember, we do have some news pretty much all day today. Keep that in mind. I just noticed we're on the Apex charts again. I guess it really doesn't matter as long as I'm trading the correct chart. I only noticed because I had the initial balance stuff on there. If we can get a shot down to this 324, might take a stab at it. Because I'm looking for the break of this. And then this as a possible support. I want to see a push away from there, obviously. Right now it's just bouncing off of it, using it as support. I am not in the business of assuming support or resistance. I like to see the actual break of those, and then the retest is what I'm looking for. The amount of times I've been burned waiting for or assuming we're gonna get an actual support being held, etc. So not the push I was looking for. I was looking for much more of a push through. Yeah, I mean, that's really not enough. I mean, even that's only 40 ticks. Am I going to be mad with 40 ticks? No, but I guess I should make sure everything's working too. Huh? Where's my account not active? Oh, I'm on the wrong account. 9. There we go. Yeah, it's a good thing I checked. Alright, so now at this point, if we come down lower, I'm not going to be looking to take this trade. I would be looking for the break of there. This 19.4, I think, is going to be a big area today. If somehow it breaks through and continue, like, I feel like if it breaks through and holds, it's going to continue looking at the daily. But if we can't break this, it's not great. We probably, over the course of the week, head back down under 19 if we can't break and hold here. Like, looking at the macro levels. All right, let's see how big of a push we can get through here. Go, 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 go. We're just not getting the push that I'm looking for. So we already retested. I'd be looking for a bigger push here. There's a second retest. So now we're looking for away from here. Yeah, I mean, that's just not the play we're looking for. I'm just gonna keep waiting. I mean, what a bounce. Great bounce there, but just not, that's not what we're looking for. Wow, nice little pop back up there. That's the kind of candle right there that can spark a move back to the highs. Yeah, here we go. Let's see if we can get... Definitely a bunch of buyers stepped in there. Oh yeah, let me do marbles. Let me just start.
Never stop, no rest till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a god. Mass hopeless, more tests. More blessed. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's your stop. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. I'm full of stage trying to find my pain. I'm still sun coming out of that rain. My day really not game. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cave. It's taking over.
Well, it's been kind of a boring open so far. What's up, Skeletor? How are you? Headed back to the highs. Told you that was that candle right there, the way the buyers stepped in. Is it sad that I'm more interested in how Jordan does today than myself? I just want to see how Jordan does today because he's that close to getting a 40K payout. He already has most of it locked up. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of the accounts locked up. And the other 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are within $300, and then the other 3 are within $700. Like he's that close to a 40K payout. Let's get it, Jordan. Oh, look at this. Back to the highs we go. We can get back up to that level. I don't see us not at least trying to break it. There it is. Need a big push away from it for us to get in. Go, 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 go. Boner candle. Did we get in? Oh, I was gonna say it didn't fill us. Ah, man, we were pretty close there. Did we go for too much? That was only 38. Just looking for the retest here, and then it can do whatever it wants. Struggling to get that retest though. Oh, I thought we were gonna for sure get the shot down into the retest there. That's not good. That means we're probably gonna continue higher. Come on, just go retest it real quick. Go retest it real quick. It does not want to. Come on, come retest it. Retest it. Retest it. Are you kidding? Come on. There it is. You always want to retest. I know you do, market. Now you can do whatever you want. You want to go back up and go higher? Go for it. Because then I can get another trade. There's the actual retest. I always front run it just a little bit. Now we're popping back up. Yeah, it's crazy. It actually looks, these candles look bigger than they actually are. Ooh. Now a dumpy dump. Yeah, Chicago PMI? Yeah, that's at 10 o'clock, right? Yeah. I see, oh, that's at 9:45. Okay, yeah, I didn't even see that. It was hiding between all those red folders. It's the pending home sales at 10 o'clock. This actually isn't good for what I was talking about on the daily. Because right now it looks like they were sweeping the highs on the daily. Looks like maybe they were trying to get some of the stop losses from the shorts. It really wasn't that much liquidity that went through, to be honest, though. Very interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Forecast is 44.8. Previous was 47.4. I don't know if that's good or bad. Is it good that it's lower or bad that it's lower? Whoa, look at that. Nice dump candle there. All I know is now we're back in the middle, so we will not be touching it. We got our trade. Wow, this thing made new highs and immediately in three minutes basically dumped right back to the lows. Crazy. Look at this move. Holy smokes. And it's going to go right into this. So if it's bad, then this could get crazy. Well, we're bouncing right now. We'll see. Got 15 seconds. See if it does anything. Well, didn't really seem to do anything. Did it come through? 45.3. Yeah, they marked that as green, so I'm assuming that's good. Or is it just green because it beat the forecast? Yeah, I have no idea. No idea what any of that means. Article got $5,000 payout today. Choppy chop. I'm assuming we're probably going to be like this at least until 10. Guess they're waiting on that news. I still can't believe Zishan won marbles yesterday. I had to kind of make his day, even though he wasn't here to see it. Damn it, Zishan. The one time. You had one job. Did you say someone received their payout because I have still not received mine from Apex? No. Methodical, his trades today got him to pay out on a different prop firm's. I think he had 5 accounts with some other prop firm and he got them all to where they're $1,000 payout. I don't remember which prop he was talking about. It sounded like a new one. But people should start getting them probably end of this week, going into the beginning of next week. Yeah, they are really bad with the payouts. It at least got, oh, that's right. You have until today. That's why I kept saying that yesterday too, that they had to do it today, yesterday, but technically they have to the last day of the month, which is today. Has it been approved? You just haven't received the actual payout? Did you get an email saying that they sent it? Yeah, I did. For some reason I thought yesterday was the last day of the month. That's why I was saying that. Okay. So you could still trade the account because the money was taken out. It's just a matter of getting it, getting the actual payout. Methodical, which prop firm did you just get the payouts, get the accounts to pay out on? I heard you say the name, but I didn't recognize the name. But no email for sent payment. Yeah. Yeah, they might not be doing that until today. It's kind of a pain in the ass. They really are a pain with the payouts. I'll tell you right now, my fund of futures, like the affiliate side of things, they've been really, really good. Yeah, Methodical. I have you in the background. I heard you say that you just got 5 accounts to pay out, and then I saw you change the number for your payouts, but I didn't hear which prop firm that you got the accounts to pay out. Fast Track Trading, that was it. Okay, so it was one of the new ones. That's all I was letting them know. I think it was one of the newer prop firms. 1250 times. Okay, so it was 4 accounts, not 5. I thought it was 1,000 times 5, but good shit, good shit. I think personal is better than these prop firms because they just mess with payouts and rules. I mean, yes, you're not wrong, Fred, but at the same time, you have to use your own money. That's kind of, there's definitely the give and take there. I don't disagree with you. I have 6 with them. I hit the other 2 yesterday. Hell yeah, man. Good shit. And I heard you're now profitable. That's amazing. That's a good feeling. And on top of that, you kind of already written off the losses at that point. So any money you make now is all profit anyway. So I love it. How's the affiliate money for Friday? To be completely honest, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do that. I mentioned this last month that I was going to get ahead and start doing the marbles races like weekly instead of doing it all on the first Friday. Just because I don't like how, I mean, I feel like everybody's channel has been losing viewers. So I was looking for a way to kind of increase the viewers back up. And I don't know, I was going to maybe, instead of doing one big giveaway, I was thinking about doing 4 smaller giveaways, like just throughout the week. Finally hit the block. And we're back to the highs here. But let's say we have to make 3K for eval, then do it again. But on personal, we only need to make it once. Yeah, but you're only risking $17, $18 most of the time when you're making that 3K. You're not risking $2,500 of your own money. Steve, it's looking like it's going to be overall about 200. So probably like 50 a week. And I'm still not sure that that's how I want to do it. I've been really kind of debating how I want to go about all that. Yeah, Fred, if you feel that you're profitable, then and you are okay risking your own money, then you should be. I do not disagree with you at all. But if there's any doubt that you're not profitable, then these prop firms really offer you almost a risk-free way of making money. You just have to deal with the rules. So Visible ID, I have some news. No, so well, I did. I think I kind of want to just pay you to just kind of get that over with. I'm gonna give it like another maybe till the end of the week. But they told me I did talk to them yesterday. Hold on, let me pull it up. They told me, man, sorry. Where is it? So it says, Tim, I'm sorry that you weren't able to get in touch with me. From reviewing the case, I can see that the case will be resolved October 24th. And apparently that is due to that it says this type of cases can take roughly 90 days to fully resolve as they are worked in the order received. Yeah, October 24th. Yeah, yeah. So I'm not gonna, I don't want to make you wait that long, but he did say that it could happen quicker. So I was just gonna give it to the end of the week and then probably pay you. And then if I end up winning, it'll be $75 that I get back that I wasn't expecting at that point. So it'll be a cool thing because I'll have forgotten about it by then. But you know what? I'm just gonna send it to you now. I honestly, I'm just kind of over it and I don't want it hanging over my head. Let me find your PayPal. I put in the notes, the real in caps, the real VT giveaway winner. All right. All right, sent. If you want to go ahead and confirm it here, feel free. Yeah, I scrolled up in our message. I found it. Yeah, so come October 24th, I might randomly be. Is it during the week? That's fine. Let's see. October 24th is a Thursday, so I might randomly be like, hey, guess what, guys? Oh, yep, 10 o'clock. Yeah, that did like nothing, huh? Sweet. Sorry for that, man. Wouldn't that be some funny shit though if he comes out and is like, yeah, I am the scammer. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry that you had to go through that. It was, I mean, it's my fault. So I'm not gonna make you, I wasn't gonna make you wait any longer. Regardless, it was on me for not verifying, so. Kavan Trades, what's going on? Oh, we're breaking that area again. Wanted a little bit more of a push there. I was going to get the retest. Damn, came right to it. Yeah, it would have been 40-ish. I was about to hit the button. I was thinking about hitting the button. I just didn't. Would have worked, but wanted a bit more. Still kind of close to the middle here. I was looking for more of an extension away. All right. We're not even thinking about thinking about. It's like, he should have zigged when he should have zagged. Should have zigged when he zagged. Should have zagged when he zigged. So the inspection passed. Apparently he just came earlier. That's why I was looking out the window. So hopefully we can get on the books for the concrete soon. It'd be nice if they could do it like tomorrow or Friday. That'd be amazing. Might actually, the pool, if that were the case, then the pool might actually be done by next week. Then I might actually think about using it. When we reach goal for my funded futures, what happens? Is it the same as Apex? What do you mean? Like just when you hit the amount that you need for a payout? As long as you have the days that you need as well. Are you on a beginner or an expert account? Oh, the eval? Yeah, the eval is the same thing. You'll get the email saying that you passed, and then you just have to pay to activate it. Or, well, no, you don't pay to activate it. Sorry, not my funded futures, you don't pay to activate. It'll just say that you passed, and they'll turn it into a funded account. I have to like rewire my brain because I'm so used to the you have to pay to activate the account, but that's not true with my funded futures. When do they put you to live? Like live or just the funded account? Because I think live they do case by case basis. I don't think there's like a set in stone reason for them to go live, for them to make you go live. I think you'd have to prove for quite a while that you're profitable before they put you live. I hate when I delete an email and then I go to my deleted emails and I can't find it. It's like some emails they delete, like delete, and then some they don't. I'm so confused. It's so annoying. All right, pushing away. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Nope. Can you explain what you mean live and what the difference is? Does it affect us at all? It's not going to affect us. It's not going to affect the most of us. So what I mean is everyone, when you're trading these accounts like we are now, they're all sim accounts, right? They're not actually live to the market. But if you are someone who proves to one of these prop firms that you are actually profitable over a long period of time, they can push you to a live account, like an actual live account that's on the market. And then like they'll profit split with you, etc. Like that is a possibility for them. And I'd have to go read up on it in the help center. But as far as like the criteria for that to possibly happen, but it is a possibility. But for 99% of people, it's probably not going to affect you. Now, if you start pulling in a crap ton of payouts very consistently without blowing any accounts, you could be one of those people that they're looking at to possibly move to a live account. Well, because you're still trading their money. You're not trading your money. You're trading their money. But in a real, if they put you live, they're now making real money, right? When you make 3,000, look at it this way. When you make $3,000 in a sim account, they're not making $3,000. But then when you go to request $3,000 to take out of that sim account, they have to pay you $3,000 out of their pocket. But in a live account, if you make $3,000 and you request $3,000, they're just paying you with your own money that you made, but they're providing you the capital to trade. We're just not getting that like extra push. We're getting okay pushes, but they're not. Yeah, it's like 20 ticks. Well, I don't know if the fills are better on sim or vice versa, but the only reason they would put you on live is to help their bottom line. They're not going to put someone live that they think is not going to actually be profitable, right? Because they're taking more risk by putting you live. But if they have somebody that has proven to make money, then they're going to be okay with giving you real money to make money, because then you're a self-fulfilling prophecy at that point. And when you take the payouts, it's going to be a 90-10 split. And like they're making 10% off of you just for providing the money to trade with, right? But if they're doing a 90-10 split on the sim account, they're taking 10% of their own money. Is that like they're just keeping 10% for allowing you the opportunity to trade with their money? Does that make sense? No, I know what you're saying, Gonzalez, and some people are trying to do that. Like they're getting payouts from the prop firms and then they open up their own account, which makes complete sense. Here we go again. It just does not want to give us that like extra oomph. Is the eval to fund it on my fund of futures auto, or do they have to check manually? So they claim that they check the account, like how you were trading, just to make sure it like wasn't windfall trading, etc. Which I don't think they've even said that. I don't think they care. But I think it is manual. Who's the sleepy ass wrong now? Couldn't sleep last night. Went to bed 4:30 a.m. Just woke up. Dude, I am an insomniac myself, so I get it. I feel like I don't go to bed until 2 o'clock like every morning. It sucks. I can't find this email. It's like lost forever. I used to sleep at 9:30, woke up at 5:30. Only reason I used because when I was in college, yeah, I've been this way my whole life. I remember back in high school, I would just pull all-nighters. Or like go to bed at like 4:30 in the morning and wake up for school at 6:30. On my fund futures, can we switch to MNQ and NQ anytime? I sometimes share. Yeah. I don't think they care at all about that. I think Apex is really the only one that has really kind of taken to the whole consistency thing with what you trade and when you trade and how you trade and all that stuff. Most of the other firms already had rules in place to kind of prevent the stuff that they're looking to prevent. So they haven't had to worry about that kind of stuff. Yep, exclamation point marbles in the chat. If somehow we get to
you gotta give him that
50,
fuck
50 people
dude,
watching,
spit
50
on that
likes, we'll go ahead and play. I mean, we're gonna play anyway, but it's just a matter of if we have for money. Actually, today we'll bring the money that Zishan won yesterday, so we'll do the $20 today, regardless if we hit. So, but we'll add more if we do somehow hit. Steve, if we do somehow hit the 50-50, yeah. I had the timer. It was 30 seconds for all of them except for the spit, the Hawktua girl. I made 2 minutes. Is it? I have to watch it. I didn't go back and watch it. Let me see. I missed it. Oh, I missed. Oh, so the sound is way before the... Okay, let's see if I can fix that. Pivot! Maybe if I just take the delay out. Let's see. What's up, Pine Tree Trader? How you doing? You got... Once we are funded, does it work the same as Apex, i.e. trailing drawdown? I was thinking of going. So the expert account works a little bit different than the starter accounts. The expert account, the rules are still like their old set of rules, where the payout is like every 14 trading days. But it's, I don't think you don't have to actually trade the days, if that makes sense. Like you just have to wait every 14 days to get a payout.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Starter account, you can get a payout within 5 days. Like they're doing the new structure with that. The trailing drawdown is for all the accounts on My Funded Futures is end of day. So it's not trailing like Apex. Apex is actually not a good, like trailing drawdown sucks, right? Because it follows you. If you make $1,000 with Apex and then lose $1,500 with a 50K account, you blow the account, right? Because it's a trailing drawdown. But if you make $1,000 with My Funded Futures, you would then have to lose $3,500 that same day in order to blow that same account. Does that make sense? Because it's end of day instead of trailing. Somebody try pivot and see if that worked. I'm kind of paying attention here, maybe looking for a trade. Steve. I can't. Yeah, let me go live and see it. Oh, that was good. It was a lot closer. It was a real pain to get it to line up with the Hawk 2 girl. Oh. Come on, push, 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 push. This will be the one time it doesn't just quickly retest. Come on, come retest. And then if you want to keep going, you can. Push, push. Just a quick retest. That's all we're looking for. This feels like it wants to go higher.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Come on, push it down. No, not yet. Push it down. Just looking for that retest. Go, 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 go. Retest, 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 retest. There it is. The retest is in. Definitely not getting the movement that I would really like, but I mean, because like even these bigger candles, they're not like that big. All right, let me watch this. All right, so the sound came on just a little bit before there. So let's move the GIF up and add a delay. Of just a smidge. I don't even know how far to go with this. All right. All right, someone try pivot. Pivot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Pivot. I totally guessed on how long I had to delay that. Does it actually come up with on the commands list? Because I think that's separate. Why is the commands thing not working? Maybe, do I have to type that over here? You can oh, I have to click. I saw somebody type in commands and I thought that you could do that before. Oh, maybe that popped up because he typed in exclamation point commands? No? I don't know. So yeah, I should probably.
Oh, you gotta give him that
you can
huck
find. Oh, so yeah,
and
that's
spit
what
on that
popped
thing.
up.
You get me?
All right, so let me add that to. Is it? Can I get rid of some of these? Custom commands. Okay, so it shows you all the commands that you can use, I think. When you go to the commands link, does it show everybody, even the super moderator ones? Or is it just the ones that say everyone? Oh, you can actually tip with exclamation point tip. I didn't even know you could do that. Does this actually work? I've never even tried some of these. Yeah, look at that. I've been streaming I have not been streaming for 2 hours. I mean, I set the stream this morning like that long ago, but I wasn't actually streaming. Interesting. All right, custom commands. Well, I'm not, I guess I have to add them somewhere, right? So that you know that what they are. All right, how do I get to this stream? These commands are broke? What are you talking about?
This is the future. Evolution.
J-Tac, thanks for the sub. Welcome to the Volatility team. May the ticks be with you. Ooh,
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
That's right. May the ticks be with you. I'm gonna go grab a new soda real quick. So by the way, guys, I found my new snack of choice when I'm hungry, but I shouldn't be eating. Take a look at these. Spit on that tick. Take a look at these.
This is the future.
They're birthday cake cookies by Quest. And I thought they were going to taste like crap, but I tried one the other day. And OMG, they are so good. They're so good. And they're only 90 calories. Oh, it doesn't have the... It's on the box. They're so good. Like, they taste like real cookies. Like, delish. I'm so annoyed that I can't find... Has anybody ever found on PayPal, like if something was shipped because you paid with it through PayPal, that you can find... Because that's the email I'm looking for. Because something was shipped because I bought it through PayPal, and now I can't find it. Go to activities, but it doesn't show... I eat the Quest stuff when I want a candy bar. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Oh wait, shipping. Oh no, that's shipping labels. Should be under the payment details. Yeah, but see, I don't... You're not wrong. Let me see. For some reason, it's not showing... I don't know. I was just curious if it was supposed to be here today.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing.
Yeah, I know. Their UI does kind of suck. It's like so simplistic. Like the fact that you have to like really find, like go through and look for stuff. Oh no, I ordered something from Temu actually. I was awake being an insomniac one night, and Temu had sent a thing, and I was like, oh, what's that? And then I ended up buying something. It's not the first time I've bought from them, but I actually think one part of that is supposed to be here today. Oh, actually, maybe not. It says it was in Los Angeles this morning, actually. But it says it should be here by the 6th. But there was something that said it should be here today. And I want to say... that it was jerseys that I bought. I don't remember how I paid for those though. I don't know. And it could just be a scam. Those emails could have been a scam the whole time, and I've just been deleting them because I was like, oh, when it gets here, it gets here. But today I was actually going to see where it said it was. Who knows? Glow in the dark. Oh, jeez. No, I bought... Here, I'll just show you. Oop. So the main thing that got me was... Hold on, I don't want to give away my... Let's see, can I pull all these up separately? We're going back to the highs here. All right, here was one of them. This was like for the kids. It's probably going to be absolutely crap. But it was actually free as part of getting something else, which I'll show you. But the reviews were pretty good. So like they were saying like it actually kind of did it. So I thought this would be really cool. I like space and I like looking at the stars and trying to see the Milky Way, etc. So I was like, oh, that could be pretty cool. Let me go back here for a second. Oops. The second thing I think is going to be amazing for our family because our kids eat the crap out of some noodles and we're always dirtying the... Oh, hold on. I'm going to have a trade here in a sec. So it's just not a big enough push. Of course, this is the one we get the retest right away, right? When we were in it, we couldn't get that. All right. Anyways, well, now we'll both have one. It was free. It was literally a throw-in. But yeah, we're always using the strainer, and then now we have a dirty pot and a strainer. With this thing, we can just pour the water out and use the pot. So I was pretty happy about that. Let's see. And then the last thing was, well, the last two things were for the pool. So this is it's just one of them, but it's like a light up floating light ball, which I thought was really cool. That where you could change the color and just like throw it in the pool. I just thought that was kind of cool. And then the main thing that I bought was, I got to go back to it. Here it is. Oh, it's not letting me click it. Which I could have bought this for the same price from Amazon, but like I said, it gave me those three things for free. Oops. Oh, come on. Why is this? Hold on, it's not letting me log in now. Did they change? This all looks new. They like changed the login information since I last used it, which was just literally like a week ago. Add a password? I already have a password. I'm so confused. Okay, anyways. Here is the other thing. So I already have one of these, but since we're gonna have room on the concrete decking for the pool, I got a second one. Which I don't remember what color I got. I guess I could look. Maybe I got this one because of the kids. I don't remember. Let's see. I did get the tropical one.
Oh, you gotta give him.
So this was the other thing that I got. Yeah, well, I guess we could always get more. It said they were like $3. So if we like it, that was kind of my idea. I figured we'd get it and see if it actually works, and if it does, then we could always get more. But yeah, so now we'll have two of these. So if people want to kind of relax next to the pool in a hammock, I love these. These are pretty cool. And they even come with these things that my other one from Amazon didn't. And it costs actually a little bit more to get. So pretty excited for, it's literally like the exact same hammock, except it comes with these things and it's a different color. It says 450 is the weight limit, so plenty. Which I'm pretty sure that's the weight limit on the other one too. All right. No more news until 10 o'clock, but now it just kind of looks like we're what a recovery. Crazy recovery so far today. Be nice to actually get like a real push at some point. Just can't seem to get it. Don't make fun of my penis pool. Yeah, exclamation point marbles in the chat. We'll run that at 11 o'clock. It'll be for 20 bucks. We'll do 20 bucks today. We'll do the, because Zishan said to move it along to the next one. So we'll do it for $20. Tim, you got a good pirate joke? Let's hear it. It better not be mine from yesterday. Send the video. That's how's it? If it's a video, that's not your joke.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
Just never got the push we were looking for. A nice little boner candle to the downside. Sorry, I was checking something else there. Oh yeah, let me finish watching your joke. Lead.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
That'll do. I have one for you. I forget. Hold on, let me make sure I get it right. Oh, I remember this. All right. I adopted a dog from a blacksmith. As soon as I brought him home, he made a bolt for the door. Fix the timer? What timer? That's racist behavior? What?
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
Steve is relentless. Oh man. Steve is he's that guy. He's that guy, pal. He's that guy. Now I know what he meant by timer. He's got like 4 separate timers for each one. Steve about to be pissed. Yeah, I just increased it. It's now a little longer than 2 minutes. Steve scaring everybody off. I literally had somebody message me in Discord saying, "Can you please stop with the Hawk Tua girl?" I was like, "It's not me." Kind of interested if we can get a big push here. Yo, Dookie, what's up? Just chilling, watching the game, having a bud. You say, it looks like we want to try lower. Can we get a big enough push? Sure cannot. Just very choppy today. I mean, that this line really isn't worth it anymore. More. No. Kind of retested. That's the retest we were looking for. So frustrating. I'm not gonna sit here and try to scalp all these like 30, 40 tick ones. I want the bigger ones, especially when we're towards the middle.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Ooh, ah. Without Tim, the stream would be You're more than welcome to come over here and do it for me, Zishan. I'll get paid below minimum wage. Thank you. Yeah, I feel you there. Yeah, see, we're just not getting that big original push. It's just a lot of this where it just breaks the previous candle, then back up, then breaks previous candle. Yeah, I used that previous candle instead of the line because that's where the line should have been anyway. But again, though, that was 25 ticks. Like, that's just not enough for this. I felt pretty confident about this line, though. Just because, and that was a pretty big area from earlier. Resistance, support, support, support. I would love to see it push down through there because I definitely think we'd get a retest. Yep, exclamation point marbles. 4.5 minutes. We'll play marbles $20 giveaway. If you win the race, all you gotta do is be here, have PayPal, and be ready to prove that you are who you say you are. Live Fox Trades, what's going on, man? How are you? Yeah, man, this is kind of a crazy day. I wouldn't be surprised if we just V back down, but then again, it's looking like it wants to try back towards the highs. Oh, back to the middle. Should have just held it, huh? We'd be rich. Crazy. Yesterday we couldn't not find trades, and today we can't find trades. Oh, la 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 la. Did you guys hear about the two rowboats that got into an argument? Did you guys hear about that? The two rowboats that got into an argument? It was a pretty big ordeal. That's so stupid. I swear some of the jokes that I know at this point are just the dumbest jokes ever. But they make me laugh. That's all that matters. They make me laugh. All right, marbles. Marbles it is. Got 10 seconds. Let's load it up. $20, make you holla. Ugh. We're gonna do the classic today. The classic great one. The slippery slopes. Close marbles. Oh, hold on, I want to enter. Was GDT here today? Alrighty, here we go. Oh, you got in there last second. Look at that. It snuck in there. Marius sneaking in there. You devil, you. We'll see. I don't remember seeing him, though. 29 people. I don't see him. I think he did say he was at work today or something. I was watching his stream yesterday and he said he wasn't going to be here today. All right, 29. Slippery slopes. Let's get it. Jordan. You were here all morning. Just to make it an even 30. Just to make it an even 30. Jordan's gonna make me come all the way out. Go all the way back in. Jordan, who waits until the last second to enter. Shame on him if he wins. He busy making coin. That's true. 3, 2, 1, go! Good luck. $20. Make you holla on the line. Chico, Tico, Tico, Taco. Look at his name on the bar on the right side. Kevin Baker, sorry, man. Just a little too late. Tomorrow is another day. If you are here, hit the like button, and you're here with 50 other people. Well, 49 other people. Oh, Wilhelm, that is not the way, sir. KDZ and Mom out to the lead. They are the first ones down into the pegs. You want to hit a peg. Sly Fox close behind. Look at me in 5th place behind LG in 4th. KDZ. Those bricks, man, they can hurt. The boulders. KDZ straight down. Mom straight down. Sly Fox straight down. LG. Of course I hit a peg. Here we go. Playing some catch up. KDZ around though. Beating the ghost ball and everything. Nicola playing catch up. Ghost ball said, nope, I'm in the lead. Sly Fox sliding through. Down into the twisty turns. Sly Fox out into the lead here. Am I really like in last place somewhere? Where am I? I think I am in like, yeah, I'm like all the way in the back now. Even Methodical's been here all day and didn't get in here. So this has a lot of catch up factor, especially right here. You could be in last place and essentially catch up right here. I wish they had one more thing of bricks. That would have been really cool in this map. But this will have to do. Sly Fox, you may be in the lead right now, but those spikes are coming for you. The bamboo shoots as well. If you can end up in your own, you're good to go. But if not, people are going to stack up and they're going to try to get in front of you, as Nicola is going to do right here. But Visible ID said, oh, Visible ID said, thank you very much. I'm here for round 2, please. Visible ID 36, get ready. You might have another chance to scam the crap out of me. But it does look like Sly Fox is going to be in the lead coming out of this. This is our 3 front runners right here. Sly Fox, Visible ID, and I can't see who is that in the middle there. Oh, it's Nicola. It's Nicola. Here we go. Down into this and up we go. And then it's a matter of who makes it through the crisscross. We got our 3 front runners. They're even beating the ghost ball. Visible ID out in the lead. Nicola, they're both going up together. Chasing that ghost ball. Nicola, first one out. All you got to do is be the first one through the crissy cross. Who's going to make it through? Nicola's going to get first attempt. Does he get through? He does not. Visible ID is going to get through. Are you kidding me? The karma is real. Visible ID, all you got to do is make it into the box. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I think that's proof right there that it's the real Visible ID. Crazy. Sly Fox close second. LG was in 3rd place like the entire race. Hey, look, there's the imposter. Redemption. I might as well just set up a tap on my arm for Visible ID. Just start giving it to him. Hey, look, there's Jordan who waits until the last second to enter. Shame him if he wins. Hey, here I come closing up the rear. Oh, no, that's... We got Jason, Bruno, Kavan. Oh, Steve. Steve. All those times you played Hawk to a Girl. Coming back to haunt you a little bit there. Ivan Austin. The 2 first names are not helping you. Auto pay. Yeah, just... All right, look. So this time it has to be Visible ID 1. Not 36, okay? Visible ID 1. Oh, that's great. All right, I will ask. Do you want the $20 or do you want to... I'll even offer it. Do you want to double it and give it to the next guy, which would be tomorrow? It's up to you. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Good stuff. That was a good race. That track never lets down. Autobots roll out. Uh. Dude, he's never gonna pay you either. What are you talking about? I paid him earlier. I paid the 75 to him earlier. No, there's no need to be sorry, Visible ID. Don't feel any shame in accepting what you won. There is, yeah, do not ever feel shame for accepting the giveaway. Good, congrats, man. I offer it just in case. I'm not trying to make you feel bad for taking it. I'm just saying if you want to double it and give it to the next guy, that's completely up to you. Pay that man his money. Yeah, it's completely up to you guys. I know it comes off that way, but it's not meant to come off that way at all. It's just, I'm just asking. I'm always going to ask, because if you do, like, my goal with that is if somebody does, then the next one would be 40. And then I'm not going to say double it each time, but then I would go to 60, and then I would go to 80. That's all. That's all. Tim wants his butter chicken. I always want butter chicken. Oh, what the heck? How come there's no fee? What the heck? Is it only over a certain amount they charge you for a fee or give you the fee? Oh, cool. There's no fee for this one for some reason, but. All right, sir. Sent. Not a bad day for you. $95. Make you hollers. Fee for payments, no fee. No, that's not true. I've been paying fees for friends and family. No problem, Visible ID. Congrats, man. Yeah, I'm wondering if it's like over a certain amount, they charge you a fee. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. PayPal team right now. Why does guy keep sending monies? I mean, I put in the description why. No, I didn't take it away. I just added a longer cooldown. So you just got to figure out when the cooldown is. I don't know, man, but I literally just sent friends and family to Visible ID for $75 and there were fees, but then I just sent it to them again off with the same card and everything, and it was only $20, but there was no fee. I wonder if it's because I used partial PayPal balance and my card. But this time that doesn't make any sense, because this time I used only my card. You would think they charge you a fee for using the card. If I use PayPal balance, why would they charge me a fee? If anything, that's helping them. No, it's opposite. I just used my card to pay him the $20 and there was no fee. The $75, I had like $23 or something in the account. So it sent $23 and then the rest of it came off the same card I just used, but it charged me a fee. I have no idea. I thought they just changed something on their end for that, but I don't know.
want a ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean, got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns, who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now, I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns, who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now, I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Paying with PayPal balance or a bank account, no fee. With card 2.9. With Amex send account. Well, you tell me. I mean, I literally... Let me log back in and see if I can show you without showing you anything crazy. I wonder if it's because I used this card. I thought I was using this card, but... So it's certain... Oh, wait. I think that's my debit card. Oh, that's probably why. Okay. So that probably makes sense. Because I think that's my debit card. I know you guys can't see this, but... Pretty sure that's my debit card. So that's why. Okay. Womp womp womp. No, you didn't win the race. Visible ID 1 did. I don't even know, like, when I get Apex accounts back, I don't even know, like, what I'm gonna do. I guess I could try what I'm doing now, but I just can't DCA. Like, I have to just get in. I can add once, and if it doesn't work after that, I just have to stop out below there. It's really all I can do at that point. Yeah, visible ID 1 again. Crazy. Crazy. All the way back to the highs. Kind of a mini V there. Methodical, how's the weight loss going? When is the next news? Yeah, it's the FOMC. I think at 2 o'clock. Yep. There was crude oil inventories at 10:30, but obviously that doesn't usually do anything. He got fat again. Yeah, I don't want to weigh in after these last couple days. I haven't eaten the best. I've had like a huge headache the last couple days. I'm wondering if it's because the kids have been home. But not being able to sleep, the headaches, it's really been kind of killing my eating vibe. Or I get your imposter to beat you up. It's a good idea. Get the imposter back in here. It's an imposter. What? So confused. Methodical's too busy. He's in a trade. Working on it. We're all working on it at some point, right? So not gonna play this line here, but if it pushes through and we extend away from it, that's what I'd be looking for. Which it might happen because it failed to make new highs. I mean, I want to be skinny, but I don't want to be weak and pathetic like you. Hit the gym, boy. I just wish I was skinny to the point where after, like, I could focus on getting bigger, like muscle wise, not fat wise. You have it good, man. All you have to do is eat more and lift. I have to eat less for a long period of time to get skinny, and then I can lift weights to get muscle. Oh, popping back up. Oh, right back to the highs. Do we have to cancel, remove our credit card from MyFunded Futures in case they take money out for next payment? Why? I'm confused. There is no next payment unless you've had it for longer than a month. The eval. So I'm confused at what you're asking. We did break that daily level that we were talking about earlier. This 19.4, and now we are trying to hold it. They may just take out for what though? That's what I'm asking. What are you worried they're going to take out for? Apex usually cancels the next payment, and my fund and futures we have no way of knowing. If the account's not there, they're not going to take out for it. I guess that's where I'm confused. Like if it's an active account, then yeah, they're going to take out for it. But if it's not active, we're gonna see if we can get a big push through the highs here. 19.5 is right there. Yeah, don't overthink that. I mean, if there's an account there, then yeah, they'll probably take it out. But if we pass, then how do we know they will not take further payments? Because you passed. So once it becomes a funded account, that's it. Like the account is done paying anything. The only way that you can get, the only way that they can charge you again is if you have the eval for longer than a month. That's it. Once it becomes a funded account, you're good to go. Here's a decent little push. Look for the retest of 500. Again, these candles are just not really as big as they seem. Still think we get the retest of 500. It's a pretty key area. It'd be weird to not retest it. It's trying. Just looking for that 500 retest. I even went above it. I was right below it without knowing, so I went above it just in case it just touches it. Like it's trying. 3 ticks. Are you kidding? Literally 3 ticks. Just trying to bounce off of there. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna take it break even. I mean, I can't make this stuff up. And now it'll probably just completely dump all the way down to the retest. Oh, I'm gonna take a walk after that one. Oh man. Sometimes, guys, sometimes I just can't win. It was literally, it was to the tick. It came down and hit my order to the tick, didn't fill me and started to go back up. I wasn't going to let that go back through the highs. And then of course I get out and it immediately dumps. Brutal. Brutal. See shot. Poor Methodical keeps trying to jump in with the trend and it's just not working for him. I just want to know why I just don't understand. Like, I steadily lose people throughout the day and everyone else steadily gains people. Like, I feel like I'm not doing anything wrong. I don't know. Stupid YouTube, man. I feel like I just don't get pushed. The algo hates me. The algo hates me. Hmm. Another day of fight back all morning after being down 100 plus. Yeah, today kind of sucks, man. Can't even get to $100. Yesterday I couldn't like not be at 1,000 plus. Today I can't even find a way to get to 100. How many PA accounts do you have and which firm? Right now I have 0 PA accounts. I have 2 Bulenox evals and 3 My Funded Future evals. I will be going back to Apex once they have 90% off sale again, but until they do, I ain't giving them no more of my monies. I passed 100K yesterday and still waiting for the funded account for My Funded Futures. Let's go. Hell yeah. Wait, you passed it yesterday and you don't have it yet? Should be pretty quick. Might get a trade here if it keeps pushing. Nope. Again, I mean, like, this is crazy. 20 ticks, literally. That whole retest right there is 20 ticks. It should be next, like, overnight, next day kind of thing, as far as getting the funded account. Because I'm pretty sure they manually check everything kind of with the evals, which I don't understand why, but they also have been pretty quick about it. I know I've passed 2 of their evals at this point, and they were both next day I had the funded account. Well, there you go. I say it should be relatively quick. I mean, it definitely shouldn't have taken this long. I feel like you should have had it this morning. Got about 18 minutes. Then I gotta go get the kiddos. I lowered my lights and they've lasted. They were turning off at like 11 Monday and Tuesday. I'm using less light, but it does make the camera look a little darker than I'd like. But the Tesla got pulled over for what? He was using autopilot. Well, you think he was using autopilot and he got pulled over? Did you do it? Guys, I think Jordan did it. Oh, it was so close. Three accounts he needs $400. $400 on 3 accounts and he's got it. Almost there. 17 out of 20 accounts at payout. Let's fucking go. Let's go. So Jordan, I'm curious, how are you trading? Tell us. Tell us. Let's fucking go, bro. That's so exciting. It really is. You know you have to go for it tomorrow, right? You have to. Or just wait until the 5th. Take your time with the last 3 accounts, or just do your thing, get the last 3 accounts, but I feel like you have to do all 20. 20 PA accounts at payout, bro. Not many people get to say it. Just saying. What's the secret? Yeah, you know the famous saying, take the stairs up, take the elevator down. It's definitely true. Shorts definitely tend to work quicker than longs. Don't do anything crazy, but I want to see. You got until the 5th. All right? The payout window is until the 5th, so no need to rush it. What? Wait, you're going to go Oh, yeah, you said tomorrow. Yeah, you have until the 5th. No need to push it. I would just keep doing what you're doing, man. I have low DD on my Apex. Do they allow us to trade micros and then switch to minis? Yeah. I mean, they do, as long as you're doing it for the right reasons. As long as you're not trying to just flip days, but if it's literally just because your drawdown's low, then yeah, they're not going to fault you for that. If anything, they should encourage that, right? Because you're actually taking responsibility. I would like to get at least one more good trade. Of course, we would have been over 100 had we got this one, but it faked us out twice. 40 tick take profit, 60 tick stop loss. Sometimes I cut profits too early when momentum slows. It saved me today for like 3 to 5 points profit. I mean, hey, if you got a system, it's clearly working. How many trades do you take a day, would you say? And looking at your commissions, it doesn't look like much. One to three, yeah. So are you just looking for like the key support resistance levels to break on the 5 minute? Because I'm like, I have the 5 minute up now. Like, if you don't have to, if you don't want to, obviously. But I was gonna say, send me a picture of your chart from today with the trades on it. I can probably figure it out myself just by looking at it. I don't want you to have to sit here and try to explain. I'm just curious, like, what you're looking for to like what your criteria is to enter a trade. I'd be more than what dude, if I could only take 1 to 3 trades a day by noon and call it a day, I mean, you're not gonna see me be upset about it. I'd rather that. Having the patience, but just knowing that the trade has the high probability of winning. Sweet deal. What is this music today? Did I change something to get this kind of music? I have it set to dance and electronic, hip hop, and metal with the mood of angry, dark, and yet this is what's playing. Like, what? Hold on, I just changed something. Let's see. Ooh, I remember this song. Be alone. Oh, la 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 la. Now we're just chopping. Choppy, choppy, chop, chop. I never could find that email from PayPal, which makes me think that it was just spam. But I am expecting a package, and I'm pretty sure I paid through PayPal, but I didn't see it in PayPal. I think I just used PayPal, but it paid via my credit card. I have no idea. I don't remember. I can actually just go to the website where I bought it from and just check that way. Probably be a lot easier, actually. Here it is. Estimated delivery. No, that can't be right. Oh, okay. I guess, dang, that kind of sucks. It's saying the 11th. Whatever. When it gets here, it gets here. This actually looks like we want to move lower. All right, right back to that initial balance. Can we scalp on my funded futures? What is the minimum stop loss and take profit? So the take profit has to be at least 20 ticks. Stop loss, it doesn't matter. That's up to you. So you can scalp, it just has to be 20 ticks. My funded futures is actually really, really good with almost everything. It's just the micro scalping is what they're against. Just not enough, man. Yep, DCA is not an issue. It just they keep breaking. It's just we're just not getting the extra push. It's how it's been all day. We've literally had to fight for trades today. Oh crap. Jordan, can you just send me the chart? Like a chart with the with these arrows, like see how it shows the orders? I mean, I guess I could go through and draw them on the chart myself. The chart went away? Just right click on it and hit reload history. Yeah, just right click and down the bottom it says reload histories and server in parentheses. That should bring it back up. What a crazy... I can't get the extra push. Yep, no problem. I've run into that same thing. I was like, where'd my arrows go? And so I started messing around and I found that fixes it. It's just fake out after fake out today. Real no like push in one direction. Maybe right here, that was about it. I was hoping we got the trade to get over 100 real quick there, but... Do 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 do. You guys want to get a song stuck in your head real quick for the rest of the day? So this is on the 1 minute. Can you go, when you take the screenshot, can you go down to where the time is? Again, I could probably figure it out, but it'd be nice to have it in there so if I come back to it. Yeah, I see the down move to 4 right here. So it looks like you're letting the move happen and then you're getting in on like a pullback. Yeah, there you go. Why is this zoomed in so far? Oh, that's right, because I was zooming in on that one from earlier. Or yesterday. Come on, man. Just give us the push. What is this? All day. Look at this. Even from here to here is only 36 ticks. Like, it's not that much. So, like, what is this? That's literally 8 ticks. Crazy. Well, it's not really a falling knife per se. Well, you're hopping into the falling knife, but looking for the bounce back to where you just came from. Go on, do something. But you're never, so are you ever getting in on the initial push? So like on in your second trade there, did you get in on the first push through, or did you wait for it to go through, come back up, and then got in looking for it to push back down? Oh, that's a short. The first trade's a short? I thought that was a long. Ah, see, I thought that was a long. I thought you were buying the... Okay. So you basically... Okay, I see. Interesting. Yeah, so I see what you... Yeah. I mean, I get it. I mean, all the spots look like legit spots to get short. Except for that one at the very top, which is probably why you cut it break even. That one I see... was a little iffy. I was short there, wasn't I? Yeah, I was. We were short. You didn't get in because of me, did you? Yeah, when you're getting in at the top or the bottom of a range, they can definitely get out of hand pretty quickly. Yeah, it looks like you actually have been the one benefiting from all these wicks today. Because that's it looks like you're just looking for it to break the previous area and just get that poke through. I mean, right now, this looks like we're going lower. Question is, how much lower? I have to get out of here soon anyway. This will be my last attempt. I'm not looking for this bounce here, probably. I want to see it come down and test through here. I mean, we can't even get that. There it goes. No! 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 No, I don't want it now. No, come on! I hit that almost perfectly. Come on. I couldn't have hit that any more perfect. I just didn't get filled. I even said, there we go. Hit the button, and it just didn't fill me. All right. That's going to be it for me. I'm going to go get the kids. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, stay safe. Have a good rest of your day. Peace. Gonzalez, I don't know what that is. Ask me tomorrow. I'll take a look.